Hello fellow traders, making a new video about the uranium, especially the USC which I trade. I made one a few days ago, and as you can see it touched the daily bull. We had the time on price meet here, failed to close it out, direction turning on stochastics. We have the same thing here. So notice I made a few trades here. Today we have a panic cycle. So since we closed above the low of yesterday, let's see how high we're gonna go today. But it's a move at least until the 12th. So be a nice trade. I didn't make it the video last night, but we shall see today. Next week it's another turning point. I'm posting the Socrates arrays and their graphs on my Substack channel, just because it's not my information and I pay for it anyways.